Hello, teacher. My name is Tania Amela Suni. In this moment, I will answer the following question. Number 1. Was your closest friend? How did you meet? My best friend is Celeste Soto, understudying with me at school when we practiced basketball, becoming very good friends. Number 2. How many friends do you have on social networking? And my social networks, I have 200 people who are family and friends. Number 3. Who were your friends when you were growing up? And my childhood, my friends were Sofia and Paola, who shared with my several fantastic experiences. Number 4. Do you have any friends that have exciting lives? Explain with many of my friends have lives would always travel to various cities and get out of the dull routine and have fun healthy. Thank you.